Please guys, I'm going to tell you one thing that is very important. Do you want to know how much Nigerian or African general YouTuber they get by month, by year, or by day? I'm going to tell you one by one, and I go all those tips that you are going to know how much they make on this platform. A lot of people, they keep lying to us. When you ask how much do you make on YouTube, he say like, I don't make anything, but he was lying. Some of them, they say like, we make millions and millions money, but they don't make anything on YouTube. So the truth, the way you are going to know how much money this person is make on YouTube, you can search again anyone in this world, as long as he's a YouTuber, and you are going to use all this tip I'm going to tell you now. You are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all his details and whatever he's doing on this platform, and whatever he get from YouTube, and how much monthly he get, how much a year he get, or how much he get per day. So it's very important for to know everyone in this world. You can check for your channel, you can check another person, you can check anyone you feel. I can check my channel, I will know how much I make. You can check me, you will know me how much I get. You can check another person how much he get or how much they give YouTube. You can know all those tips. So guys, we are going to start our video without not wasting our time. When you came here, you go straight away to Google Chrome or Safari, anywhere you can just do search. I'm going to go to my so when I click here, I'm going to minimize, then I'm going to write here YouTube, because I want to get first my YouTube channel link. I go to YouTube. When I go to YouTube here, then I'm going to copy my channel link. Then when the good thing is there was a couple of video of mine here, so I click one of my video, then I'm going to get my channel link. Once I'm here, this are my videos, guys. You see all these are my videos. So as long as all these are my videos, guys, so what I will do, I'm going to copy my channel link. This is my channel link, but you can check anyone that okay, he's in YouTube, he go YouTube channel. So once I copy this link, I'm going back again to search here. Here I write YouTube. So this time I'm not going to write YouTube, I'm going to write how to check YouTube, how to check your monetization on YouTube. So when I'm going to write how to check your monetization, how to check, you see, I'm going to write how to check YouTube monetization. Okay, so monetization. So once you just write like this, monetization, when you write like this on YouTube, then you're going to click on YouTube. So once you write like this, you click. Once you click, you came here, you came down and you scroll until you see where it say YouTube monetization checkup larger. So on this one, you click on this one. Once you click this one, you see this sign here, the link we copied before. If you remember, guys, there was a lot of advertisements. So let me cancel this one, and this one also. Okay, once you're here, then you paste your link here. I'm going to paste my YouTube link on here. Then after pasting, you see these three numbers of 997, 997. So I'm going to say enter. It's like search. It's going to search for me. So once it's going to load in like this, I got a little bit my internet is too slow, but don't worry, guys, I'm going to show you everything. So you see straight away my YouTube channel, it just pop up here. This is my profile, my all detail, it just come up. This channel monetization status off, because why it say off, it means I don't have monetization. So don't see there was a problem. It's not like a problem, but I don't have monetization to this channel, so that's why it's showing this channel monetization is off. So on this one, if you came to the bottom, but anyone with monetization is going to show all those things, but mine, I don't have monetization, so it's not going to show anything. So it say here channel a sensitive state. So it's going, when the channel reach 900 subscriber, they say that we will authority. So on that time, when my channel reach 900 subscribers, they are going to show me all those things. But now I don't have that, even 900. I don't have even 800, guys. So I don't want to lie on that. So that's why it's showing like this. So you see here, that's why they say, you can see all this I copy from here. So when you see all those things, so you know that I don't have monetization. So don't worry for yours if it's going to show you like this. Then after, you see here where I say that channel advertisement state, ad are so active on this channel. So on this one, the ads is active. So it means that once it's going to be ready, this bad luck here is going to open. But now they put a bad luck, it means like it's not going to work for this moment. So after that, you can see here the region where this channel is registered. You can see there is a no restrict. So this channel doesn't have restrict, it means like a copyright or something like that. So that's why they show this one. Then when we came to the location, it's showing here United Kingdom, that is Great Britain. That GB stands for Great Britain. So when I just scroll up, let me scroll up again, I scroll up, you can see the deal code, you see 44, and the flag, that's the code of the country. Then you can see the religion. So this religion here is not like basic what people are watching, so guys don't confuse. It means like the religion normally in that country people are the higher. So on that country was being registered. You can be on a Christian country, but it can register as a Muslim, so it's going to show like that. You can be on a Muslim country, you think it's a Muslim country, but in time of the government it's signed by another religion, so it's going to show like that. So here I say Christianity, Anglican, Protestant, and Judaism. So these are the top religion in UK, so that's why it showed this one. So don't think like, what is this? Some people, they're going to shock when they see something like this. So this is how it's going to shock. So creator dates, so I create this one on 2022, this Gmail. So this is not like the YouTube channel, this is the Gmail. So the time I create the Gmail is this one. It's 2 years and 3 months. You can see from here, it's 2 years and 3 months. So you can see on total they count here 841 days. My channel doesn't make money, all this you see. So my channel doesn't make money, doesn't make anything. You can see is 0000. So as long as your channel doesn't make money, there's nothing specific I can show you on here. So guys, you have to know that. If you know someone he got monetization, if you go to his channel and you start checking, you are going to see all those things. So if you want to know anyone, so go like this. Don't worry about writing what and what. Go and just type how to check YouTube monetization. That's it. Then after that, click, is going to pop up something like this. Then you copy the link of that channel and you are going to paste. I could try another channels, but I don't want to see someone his things as long as I don't have right from him. So but if you want to check only as a person, because if I check for someone now and I'm going to post in my YouTube channel, is going to be a little bit problem. So but if you want to check only by myself, I can check anyone I want to check, even if it's a famous person or whatever he's doing. So but if I want to know him, I can know whatever he's doing. To know what he's doing on his channel, how much he's earning, how much you to pay him. So it's so much important. I love this one. It's more interestful. So please and please guys, if you like video like this, please tell me to the comment section, so I'm going to react to more video like this. Thank you very much guys. See you next video.